Clean the drawer. Yeah, it's all manky. It is. So, to release, you need to push down on the blue tab. And lift out. So we'll deal with the drawer in a minute. We'll do with the actual drawer space in a minute. You can see that it is actually quite. It's got power at the top now, but it is still quite mold free, and it is actually mold free at the minute. There is no. Samsung don't claim it, but it is anti-mold. So, unlike Whirlpool, who do claim it because they have nothing else to claim. Often you find that with washing machine manufacturers. They'll claim things that they have that you think don't have on the other washing machines, but in truth they do. It's just that these manufacturers, like Samsung, claim much bigger things. Things that you actually want. Fantastic to draw. Right under hot water if you wish. Hot water is going to be best to get rid of this soap scum. So it's also that the soap scum, also the soap dissolves quicker in it. Use your fingers to clean it out, to rub it down. The compartment. The soap compartments will need less cleaning. Now that's all done. The simple final task is to simple. Locate the where the drill goes and just push in. Now that's done. All you need to do now is get your towel and just dry it off on the front. Doesn't matter if you put it inside. Maybe leave it open to dry. And your drawer should now open freely as well. Don't forget, you can rub down the entire washer. Like so. You don't need to go nuts with it. Look at this, I'm just using the tea towel and it's coming cleaner. There we are. We've now got a cleaner, much cleaner washing machine. Your final step is to clean out the drum.